Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can import and export Excel on your monday.com. So at first come to monday.com, and then at the bottom you'll see your profile. Just tap on that and you'll see this option called import data. Click on this one, and then you see Excel is over here. Just tap on this and then click on this one. From there, just tap on the Excel file which you want to upload, and then from there you can see it is over here. Click on next, create board, and it's going to take some time depending on your data. Once it's done, you can see it's uploaded over here. So now in order to export the file, all you need to do is tap on these three dots here and then go to more actions, and you'll see export board to Excel. When you click on that and include all of this and then export, this will automatically go into Excel, and this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please give a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.